Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts. Foods that keep your ticker in top shape. In this video, we're spilling the beans on 15 amazing foods that work wonders for your cardiovascular health. If you appreciate what we're doing here, show us some love by hitting that like button. We'd be super grateful. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, and haddock are not only delicious but also decrease the risk of arrhythmia and atherosclerosis. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and minerals that give your body an extra boost. Now let's talk about a classic breakfast staple that has been around for ages: oatmeal. Not only does oatmeal provide a hefty dose of fiber, but it also works wonders in reducing bad cholesterol levels and improving digestion. Blueberries and strawberries are the heart BFFs. Those little powerhouses lower blood pressure, dilate blood vessels, and are bursting with vitamin C. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite guilty pleasure: dark chocolate. This heavenly treat helps normalize blood pressure, fights inflammation and blood clotting, and even gives you a serotonin boost to combat stress. Nuts. Nuts and more nuts. These crunchy delights are packed with protein and fiber, which your heart absolutely adores. From hazelnuts to almonds, they're loaded with vitamin E that keeps those bad cholesterol levels in check. Let's talk liquid gold, extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean gem is like a heart-healthy elixir. Just a couple of spoons a day can work wonders by lowering the bad cholesterol levels and keeping your blood sugar in check. Now let's raise our glasses to red wine. It helps reduce fat deposits in your blood vessels, aids in detoxification and weight loss, and might even increase your lifespan. Next up, we have a drink that's been celebrated for centuries: green tea. This mighty brew is packed with bioactive compounds that do wonders for your health. Now let's dive into the veggie kingdom. Broccoli and spinach, two green superheroes, are here to save the day. These leafy wonders are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that activate the heart and help normalize blood pressure. Avocado, the creamy dreamy fruit, is up next. Not only does it taste delicious, but it also works wonders for your heart health. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that decrease bad cholesterol levels and keep those arteries squishy clean. Moving to another fruity delight, pomegranate. These vibrant gems are bursting with antioxidants which lower blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and boost hemoglobin levels. Let's spice things up with a kitchen staple: cinnamon. This fragrant spice not only adds a burst of flavor to your dishes, but also protects your heart from diseases like atherosclerosis. It's a metabolism-boosting superstar and even helps with weight loss. Who knew that a slice of watermelon could do so much? Watermelon stabilizes cholesterol levels, provides hydration, and is chock full of antioxidants. Garlic, the flavorful bulb that brings dishes to life. Garlic works wonders by dilating blood vessels, lowering blood pressure, and preventing those pesky cholesterol plaques from forming. Last but not least, let's talk about an apple a day and a pear too. These crisp and juicy fruits are packed with fiber, which your heart absolutely adores. They help normalize blood circulation, maintain healthy teeth, yes, apples reduce tooth decay, boost your immune system, and keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. We hope this information has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button to join us. Take care of your health. Indulge in those delicious heart-friendly foods and keep those blood vessels happy and strong. Cheers to a healthier heart and a happier you.